Nikki Monroe gives us a few tips for planting in pots.
You know, this is something that I really struggle with. I asked you to come out here and show me something I think you know a lot about, and that's how to get one of these to grow in one of these. I'm hoping you're gonna help me today.
I am definitely going to help you. We've prepared this with a little bit of pea gravel
Okay.
at the bottom. That is going to enhance drainage and also help to reduce the amount of soil that comes out at the bottom.
Nikki says that pots that are exposed to rain need a hole for drainage, but pots that are placed in a controlled environment don't.
What I want you to use are these coffee filters and cover up the pea gravel inside.
Huh.
You're gonna lay these in there like you're putting it on pizza. This is going to stop the soil and the roots from mixing in with the pea gravel.
Okay.
So I have some of the soil from the other plants in this pot, and I'm just gonna throw it in here.
I mean, you've got leaves in here, but that's all good, right? All that stuff just gets worked in
It's just
there.
gonna compost on out in the bottom. You want a dry fit. You want to test out the fit of your plants before you really put them in there.
You said dry fit, so literally you're setting them in there, just kind of getting a feel for how it's gonna look.
Yeah, and to also not commit myself to a particular look of the plant. We're gonna just go ahead and tuck him right in there. We'll put a little bit of soil. Then you're gonna take your other plants and do the same thing.
In what, 6 months? What's this gonna look like?
Lots of color for a very long time. This is really great for people who have difficulty getting down into a flower bed.
Yeah.
It is also really great for people who have limited access to landscape in general.
Yeah.
They can still have a plant of their own.
It is taking like the magic of a flower bed and kind of being able to place it wherever you want it. And let's go find a home for this.
Alrighty.
You ready?
Yeah.
Visit FloridaFriendlyLandscaping.com to start learning today.